Welcome to Healthy Haitian Vegan. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 tips of how to go vegan in 2018 coming right up. Hello everyone, my name is Jerry and welcome to Healthy Haitian Vegan, where we give healthy Haitian vegan recipes that taste absolutely amazing. So if you're new here, please click on the subscribe button so you can get helpful videos such as this one. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 5 tips of how to go vegan in 2018. Tip number 1, go get your blood work done right now. Most people forget the main reason why you actually go vegan is to prevent chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, cancer, stroke. All of these are actually very preventable. And the main thing that you need to do is you need to see exactly where you are at today so you can compare from where you're going to be in the future. So what the blood work allows you to do is to check to see if you have high cholesterol. Now, high cholesterol has a high relationship with these chronic diseases. Therefore, it actually makes sense for you to get your blood work done so you can see the magical process that goes through your body going through this plant-based diet. The good news is most insurance companies actually give you a free physical, which includes the blood work. So go take advantage of this if you have insurance. If not, still spend a little bit of money so you can go get your blood work done before you actually go vegan. Tip number 2, don't go into it cold turkey. Now, I know you're probably hyped after watching What the Health documentary and you made a conscious decision, hey, I am never gonna eat meat, I'm never gonna eat dairy. So let me be the first one to tell you, 99% of you will fail. Oh no! That is, if you don't do it the right way. I believe the right way to do it is actually to transition rather than becoming vegan overnight. For example, pick one day out of the week, let's say Friday or Saturday, where you make that day your vegan day, right? Or better yet, let's say you decide to have meat or dairy for breakfast, but transitioning lunch and dinner to only being vegan meals throughout the entire week. Or maybe this, you can probably try to go vegetarian for the first year and then the following year going vegan. So the whole point is to try to make sure that you're transitioning into becoming a vegan so it can become more of a lifestyle versus just something that you tried out. So let's be real, you've been eating chicken, hamburgers, hot dogs, eggs, bacon your whole entire life. And it doesn't make sense to go completely 360 and become a vegan overnight. The whole point is to have a starting point and then moving from that point forward. Tip number 3, eat your fruits and vegetables. Now, most people forget going vegan actually has 2 parts to it, right? The first part is to do away with the meat and dairy, take that out of the way. The second part, and what most people actually forget to do, is to eat whole fruits and vegetables and grains and legumes. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to start eating processed foods like tofu, vegan cheese, veggie burgers. You actually want to do away with the processed things that are what I call food stuff instead of whole foods. What you really want to focus on is whole foods, things that have one ingredient. For instance, an apple has one ingredient, carrots, cucumbers, things that are grown from the ground is what you really want to focus on when trying to go vegan. Tip number 4, make sure your food tastes good as Now, if you're giving up meat for the first time in your life, you might have questions such as, what am I gonna eat becoming a vegan? This doesn't really make sense to me. So the good news is you can find channels such as this one that we really focus on great tasting vegan food, and specifically from the Haitian culture, because my ancestors have been passing down these same recipes from generation to generation, and all I'm doing is presenting them to you. So follow channels such as this one so you can actually have options in terms of what you want to eat when you go vegan. Tip number 5, find a support system. Follow. The best way to actually stick to a plant-based lifestyle is to find like-minded individuals. Follow vegan hashtags on Instagram, pin vegan boards on Pinterest, and subscribe to vegan channels on YouTube. The whole point is to actually immerse yourself in the community. Otherwise, you'll fall into temptation from your family, your friends, and propaganda. And you don't want that to happen. More importantly, do continuous science-based research on the negative effects of dairy and meat to your body. And take a look at how these animals are treated before they reach your dinner plate. Then you'll actually think twice before ordering that #1 in the drive-thru. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer. Alright, bye.